Hi friends, manual method of creating PowerPoint presentations is very time consuming. Today in this video I am going to show you 3 simple and fast methods to create stunning PowerPoint presentations with the help of ChatGPT. And what's interesting, I am going to use AI tools that are completely free to use. And each method that I am going to share with you will take only a couple of minutes. So whether you are preparing for a school project or a business meeting and you have very short time to prepare the presentations, then you must try these methods. And I am sure these methods are going to help you a lot. And my friends, if you are new to my channel, my name is Zubair Ahmed and my channel name is Digit Crafter, where I publish videos related to AI and digital marketing. And friends, before starting this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. That will help me to publish more videos on these topics. Now let me take you to my PC and show you these free methods to create amazing PowerPoint presentations within a couple of minutes. Let's start. Friends, very first method to create PowerPoint presentations is with the help of Google Slides. And this method is perfect for those who don't have access to Microsoft PowerPoint or any other presentation software in their system. You only need to access ChatGPT and Google Slides. But first, we need to access ChatGPT. And I am sure you know how to access ChatGPT. But if you don't, just go to your web browser and type chatgpt.com. and create your free account by giving your email address. And after creating your account, you will have this kind of layout. And here in message ChatGPT, write a simple prompt. And this prompt is, please write code for a 5 slides PowerPoint presentation on topic. And here the topic word, you can replace this word with your own topic. For example, I am going to replace this topic word with my actual topic, impact of AI on jobs. And then I am instructing ChatGPT, I want this code for app script add-on in Google Slides. Please write all the text with your knowledge. Don't use placeholders. After writing this prompt, just click on submit button and ChatGPT will generate a simple code. And we only need to copy this code and take this code to Google Slides. I will show you in a couple of seconds how you can do this. You see, ChatGPT response is complete and we have our code for presentation. Now we need only to copy this code. Click on copy code and then go to slides.google.com, and this Google Slides helps you to create presentations free of cost. To access this website, you only need a Gmail address, and I'm pretty sure you have a Gmail account. Anyway, next step is go to blank presentations, click on it and then give this presentation a name. In my case, it is impact of AI on jobs. Next step is you need to click on extensions and then click on apps script. Select all the text with Ctrl A, remove it and then paste the code that we copied from ChatGPT. Let me show you again. This is the code that I am going to paste there. So simply copy this code and go to apps script and paste your code here. Next you need to save this project. Simply click on this button, save project. And by the way, you can see in this code, ChatGPT generated 5 slides for our presentation. This is the slide number 1 and this is the slide number 5. And each slide has our text that we want to mention in our presentations. For example, in slide 1, this is the text that ChatGPT generated. In slide 2, we can find our text here and similarly in other slides. So after saving your project, next step is you need to click on this run button. After running the project, we have a pop-up here, authorization required. Just click on review permissions and here if you are logged into your Gmail account, it will show you your email address here. Simply click on it and then we have a new pop-up here. Just allow app script, and this authorization is required by app script extension because it needs to access Google Slides settings. Now here you can see our execution is complete. Now next step is you need to go to main page of your Google Slides. Just go to slides.google.com and you can see here ChatGPT automatically created our presentation. So simply click on this presentation and here we are. These are our 5 slides that we generated with the help of ChatGPT. This is the slide number 1, this is slide number 2, slide number 3 with all the text and information on our topic, that in my case is impact of AI on jobs. Now to give this presentation a beautiful look, you need to go to theme and here you will find a bunch of different themes. Select any theme that is suitable for you. For example, I am going to select this one and you can see we have our beautiful presentation with the content that we generated with the help of ChatGPT, and these are 5 slides only. But if you need to make more slides, just give a different number in the ChatGPT prompt. For example, here I mentioned 5 slides. You can mention here any number. For example, 10 slides, 15, 20, 30, whatever you want. And if you need to change anything, you can click on the text and simply edit it. Only you need to make a few adjustments if you want to change its design or you need to change its font or anything else. Now let's move to method number 2 by using Microsoft PowerPoint. For this, simply open offline app with the name Microsoft PowerPoint. Open it, and here in PowerPoint we need to activate developer mode. Simply go to options and then go to customize ribbon. Here scroll down and you will find an option developer. Simply check this box and then click OK. As soon as you enable developer options, you will find a new menu here with the name developer. Now after enabling developer menu, next thing is you need to go to ChatGPT. And here in ChatGPT, use another prompt. Please write VBA code for a 5 slides PowerPoint presentation on topic. Again, I am going to replace it with my own topic. Impact of AI on jobs. And if you want to change the number of slides, simply change this number here. Click on submit button. You see ChatGPT started to generate VBA code for our PowerPoint application. And we also have the instructions how to use this code. So to use this code, go back to your PowerPoint application, and here in PowerPoint use shortcut keys on your keyboard. Alt F11. This will open VB editor. Next go to insert and then click on module. Here we need to paste code that we generated from ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT and copy this code. Go back to PowerPoint, VBA module, and paste your script here. After pasting your script, simply click on this run button or press F5 shortcut key on your keyboard. As soon as we click on run button, you can see our presentation is automatically generated and we have our 5 slides here. This is the slide number 1, that is the cover slide, and here is the slide number 2, slide number 3, 4 and 5. Now to make this presentation beautiful and catchy, you can apply presentation themes. Simply go to design, and from here you will find a bunch of different themes. Just hover your cursor on any theme and it will show you its layout. For example, I am going to select this one, which is also my brand color. Let's apply a different theme. For example, this one. Click on this and you see it's changed the complete layout of our presentation. So the process is so simple. Just use my prompt, generate a VBA code from ChatGPT and then run the module. Now let's move to method number 3, generating presentations with the help of AI tool. Now there are so many AI tools in the market, but many of them are paid. But I use Gamma app. To access this tool, go to your web browser and simply type gamma.app. Here in Gamma app, you need to create your account. Simply click on sign up for free. First we need to create our account. And here I am going to use option continue with Google to sign in Gamma app. I already have my account with Gamma app. So it logged me in with a single click. Next, click on create new. Here you can see Gamma allows you to create presentation with the help of AI. And here we have 3 options. The first option is paste in text. As you can see, we can create from notes, we can add our outline or any other existing content. Second option is generate. And this option helps you to create presentations from one line prompt. And third one is import file or URL. But I am going to use the popular one by using one line prompt. So simply click on this, click on continue. And here you need to select presentation option. I'm going to select number of cards and select 5 cards here. And by the way, you can generate 10 slides free of cost. But if you need to create presentations more than 10 slides, you need to go for their Plus or Pro account. Anyway, after selecting the 5 cards, next I am going to write my topic here. And my topic is impact of AI on jobs. And then click on this generate outline button. And here we have 5 points outline. And if you want to change the order of your outline, simply drag any point up and down. And this way you can rearrange your outline. And next scroll down, you will find additional options here. Here you will see amount of text per card. You can select brief, medium, detailed. But I am going with medium. And then you need to select image source, automatic, web pages or AI images. But I am going with AI images. Next is image style. This is optional. I am going to skip here. Next is image model. And this is the model that AI will use to generate AI images. So I am going with default, Flux Fast 1.1. And then click on continue. Here it's asking me to pick a theme and giving me a long list of different themes. Pick any one that is suitable for your presentation. For example, let's say I'm going to choose a theme according to my brand color. Let's say I choose this one. After selecting your theme, click on generate button. And this AI tool will start its magic. And this is very helpful if you don't have access to method number 1 and method number 2. As you can see here, it's working to generate our presentation. And here we have our text with AI images, still writing our presentation. And by the way, this AI tool is so much powerful. You see, it's adding different type of styles, layouts, font sizes, and it is complete. Let me show you what it generated for me. So this is the cover page, and this is the text it generated by using AI. Also, it added my name. We have AI images here. You can see how beautifully it generated our presentation. Everything is arranged perfectly. And by the way, I am not promoting this app. As you know that I always share with you my techniques, my case studies. And I use this Gamma.app for my personal presentations. There are so many other AI tools like Tom app, SlideAI.io, and bunch of other AI tools. All these tools are paid. Now if you need to download this presentation, simply click on these three dots here, and here in this menu click on export. From here you can export this presentation to PDF document. Also you have option to export in PowerPoint. And the last one is, if you need to export these slides as images, use this option, export as PNG. For example, I am going to export it to PDF. You see, it's exporting our PDF document. Will take only a couple of seconds. But before exporting, just make sure that everything in your presentation is correct. Do not ever use AI generated content without verifying it. And our PDF document is downloaded. Let's see what we have here. Simply open this downloaded document, and you can see this is the PDF version of our presentation that we generated with the help of Gamma.app. And friends, these were my methods how I generate my presentations free of cost by using ChatGPT. And friends, if you know any method other than these methods, don't forget to share it with me. I always thrive to learn. I will be sharing more useful content like this one to help you and to boost your productivity. If you have learned something new from this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. It really helps me. And if you have any question or you need any assistance, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below. It will be my pleasure to answer your questions. Take care and see you in next video. Bye.